Hey, this is Josh Gens with United Country Midwest Lifestyle Properties. We're out here at 0 Knobloch Road in the town of Shelby, just outside the La Crosse city limits. Showcasing this beautiful 115-acre prime real estate development opportunity. This is some of the best ground that we've seen in La Crosse area for quite some time. The current owner does have it teed up with a preliminary plat and has gone through the Town of Shelby approval process. Next steps is to go to La Crosse County and get things rolling for that development to actually happen.